Hello, my name is Shivani. I am from Team G161. Our project is expression tracking, sentiment analysis for dyslexic kids during gameplay. The main components of a project are image capture and processing module, the facial expression recognition system, and sentiment analysis. The front end of the project provides an interface where the users, that is the children, play educational games. During gameplay, the real-time facial expressions of the children are captured every 10 seconds along with a screenshot of the website to facilitate better analysis. Now, regarding the facial recognition model, it receives the captured images and identifies key emotions such as happy, sad, angry, etc. The schema written focuses on organizing and storing the data in MongoDB. The schema has session ID, session name of type string, and image paths, image screenshot paths as an array of strings, and also timestamp. So basically, during a game session, the system continuously captures images and screenshots. Each image and screenshot are stored in the server side in the folders called uploads and screenshots, and their file paths are stored in the image paths and screenshot paths array in MongoDB document. The timestamp is automatically generated for each session. The session ID and session name help in uniquely identifying and organizing sessions. And we also have model response array where we store the response given by the model for each image in the form of an array. And this is how the captured images of the player are stored in uploads folder alongside with the corresponding screenshot of the game is stored in the screenshot folder. We are using a MERN tech stack for our project, where we are using React and CSS with Bootstrap for the front end, Node.js, Express, and MongoDB for the back end. And for the deep learning part, we are using convolution neural network. But for this project, we are going to use the existing API model available on Hugging Face and just make an API call to that model. Now let's discuss about the Hugging Face model that we are using. Hugging Face with expression model provides an API to analyze facial expressions, making it easy to track emotions during gameplay. By sending images of the player to Hugging Face API, we get back the emotion label and confidence score in real time, like happy or sad. The model from the Hugging Face is trained on the FER 2013 grayscale dataset. We have tested the model with a test image which is actually happy, and the response we got from the model is an array of objects where each object has key value paired. It has a label called happy and score 0.99. This is actually correct. Coming to the user roles and application interface. Here we have two roles for the application, the child role and the admin role. The child engages with the educational game, supplying data via webcam and screenshots, whereas admin as a game developer can use the sentiment analysis to boost the engagement in the game and make more interesting games for dyslexic kids during gameplay. And admin as a therapist can track emotions to personalize therapy sessions. Under input and output screens, we have a login page for the child which asks only for the name, and this name would be helpful in further to fetch analysis. Then we also have output screen. Here we can see overall expression analysis, where we have a donut chart and a bar graph displaying the emotions of the child during the gameplay. This is the workflow or the architecture diagram of the project. Here we can see we have two interface, child interface and admin interface. In child interface, under the front end, we can see images are captured during the gameplay. The captured images during the gameplay are sent to the server. And in the server, we are storing those images in screenshots and uploads folder. The image paths and the screenshot paths are sent to the database and they are stored under the paths are stored under arrays, image paths and screenshot paths. Here we can see the admin interface where we have an admin page. In the admin page, when the admin request for analysis, we will check whether the analysis is already done or not. If analysis is not done, we are going to send images from the server to the Hugging Face model. It is going to send back us the analysis, and that analysis we are storing in the DB. It will check later if the analysis is already done or not. Once if the analysis is already done, we are going to fetch the analysis from the MongoDB, prepare data out of it, and display the data in the form of donut and bar graph. This is our workflow. Coming to the business logic. The core business logic revolves around mapping detected facial expressions to emotional states using DL model and then providing actionable insights for the game optimization based on these emotional states. These are the references that we are using for the project. To conclude, I would say that the deep learning model we are using will analyze the images captured during the gameplay. We will display the model's analysis alongside the images in a clear format, providing game developers with a comprehensive understanding of how child is feeling throughout the gameplay. Thank you.